Hello all, I hope you all are doing great. As most of the students are thinking about doing some of the professional courses, nowadays there are three major options in the commerce field: CA, CS, CMA. So now there are some questions related to CMA courses. So कॉस्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट के जितने भी आपके डाउट्स हैं रिलेवेंट टू न्यू सिलेबस एंड व्हाट इज़ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द कोर्स, ये कोर्स कैसा है, कौन कौन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, इसकी फ़ीस कितनी है, इसके स्टेजेस कितने हैं, इसके इंटर्नशिप क्या होती है, ये सारे डाउट्स रिलेटेड टू CMA कोर्स आज हम देखने वाले हैं. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू रेफर द PPT, द प्रेजेंटेशन विच इज़ मेड बाय द इंस्टीट्यूट इटसेल्फ. So this is not my data, it is the data presented by the institute itself, right? It is available on the website, even you can refer. So we'll start with the syllabus 2022 ka entire setup, how the course is designed and what are the new things, right? Acha, I'm totally telling all the students that one of the basic important thing which you know, that if you are going for CMA registration right now, then न्यू सिलेबस 2022 विल बी एप्लीकेबल. मतलब इसके पहले का जो सिलेबस था दैट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू यू. मीन्स ऑल द न्यू स्टूडेंट्स विल हैव टू मैंडेटरीली रजिस्टर विद CMA इंस्टीट्यूट थ्रू न्यू सिलेबस विच इज सिलेबस 2022, राइट? तो चलो भाई शुरू करते हैं डिटेल में. यहाँ पे बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन वाली चीज़ें हैं अबाउट द इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर्म्ड इन 1944. ठीक है, इसको स्टैट्यूटरी रिकॉग्निशन मिल गया. स्पेशल एक्ट फॉर्मेट, मतलब पार्लियामेंट से इसको एक्शन मिला. पार्लियामेंट ऑफ इंडिया इनेक्टेड द कॉस्ट एंड वर्क्स अकाउंटेंट एक्ट दैट वाज पास्ड इन द ईयर 1959. ठीक है, इसको स्टैट्यूटरी अप्रूवल मिल चुका है, मतलब इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ गवर्नमेंट डिग्री. 2012 में नेम ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट वाज चेंज फ्रॉम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कॉस्ट एंड वर्क्स अकाउंटेंट. अर्लियर इट वाज कंसिडर्ड एज अ CWA डिग्री. पहले इसको कॉस्ट एंड वर्क्स अकाउंटेंट मतलब CWA डिग्री बोलते थे. अभी इसका नाम हो चुका है इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट्स. मतलब कोई इसको CMA भी बोल सकते हैं, कोई इसको कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट भी बोल सकता है, वन एंड द सेम थिंग. ये मेजर बेसिक चीज़ें हैं. इंस्टीट्यूट का नेटवर्क, वो सारी चीज़ें लिखी हुई है टिल डेट. मतलब टोटल अगर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 5 लाख प्लस CMA स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर इन इंडिया प्लस आउटसाइड. 90,000 क्वालिफाइड CMA प्रोफेशनल हु आर वर्किंग एज CMA इन इंडिया. 133 exam centers, 382 recognized oral coaching centers, CMA support center are 61, 2 center of excellences where additional courses are offered by the institute. Overseas center 11, मतलब out of India इनके centers हैं ICMI के, and 114 chapters across the country and 4 regional council at कोलकाता, चेन्नई, दिल्ली, मुंबई. कोर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ CMA प्रोफेशन. CMA इज नोन फॉर दीज क्वालिटीज. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ ध्यान से देखना है भाई, बिल्डिंग द कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस. जनरली कोई भी कंपनी को अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाना है या गुड्स बेचने या सर्विसेज बेचनी है, सो दे हैव टू फाइनलाइज देयर कॉस्ट फर्स्ट, देन ओनली दे कैन एड अप देयर प्रॉफिट एंड नाउ दे विल बी एबल टू कंसिडर देयर सेलिंग प्राइस. एट दैट पर्टिकुलर प्राइस दे विल बी सेलिंग द प्रोडक्ट. तो जिसको कॉस्ट ही क्लियर नहीं पता, तो ऑब्वियसली देर विल बी प्रॉब्लम इन द प्रॉफिट मेकिंग एंड इन द सक्सेस ऑफ द कंपनी. सो CMA plays a vital role in this field. Business analytics, strategy, sustainability. As CMA professionals are working in the board, in the management of various companies, so they deal with all these factors. Auditing and assurance. Yes, CMA can do cost audit, GST audit, internal audit and all that. Environmental risk and governance, cost benefit analysis, business valuation, product pricing. These are the areas where CMA plays a good role, and they give consultancy as well as they can work in the industry as an employee or consultant as well. Effective regulatory landscape, benchmarking, cost and management accounting, management control system, direct indirect management means direct indirect tax management means direct tax means income tax, indirect tax means GST, goods and service tax, financial management and all. This CMA degree, CMA qualification is equivalent to PG degree, post graduate degree. This PG degree means what? जैसे कि आपको पता है कि graduation then post graduation, example BCom then MCom. MCom is considered as PG. So if you do CMA, this will be considered as a PG degree. ठीक है. The University Grants Commission UGC, Ministry of Education, Government of India has recognized CMA qualification equivalent to PG degree. Right. Next, CMA qualification was recognized, is now recognized as by NARIC, National Recognition Information Center of UK as well, which is equivalent to the master degree in UK and UAE. UAE is lit, means Gulf country, Dubai. UK, United Kingdom. CMA inter qualification also recognized by NARIC as equivalent to bachelor degree in their country. CMA inter भी आप अगर पास हो जाते हो तो you will be considered as the bachelor degree for that particular country, right? Independent benchmarking of CMA qualification would ensure widespread international acceptance of CMA qualification. Means the importance of this degree is that once you are done with CMA, you will be considered as a professional throughout all the countries. Means you will be not considered as just an Indian degree. The recognition is spread across entire world. It would provide opportunities for higher studies and enhance professional opportunity as well. So the CMA member oblique semi qualified professionals means who are done with CMA inter, CMA प्रोफेशनल भी पेंडिंग रहेगा, या किसी का CMA हो चुका है, तो ये सारे लोग आज की डेट में यूके, मिडिल ईस्ट, गल्फ कंट्रीज एंड अदर फॉरेन जुरिसडिक्शन में काम कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी. So what is the CMA course? Earlier there was a old syllabus. Now CMA introduced 2022 which is the new syllabus. जैसे कि आपने सुना रहेगा गवर्नमेंट ने एक NEP लाया है. NEP मीन्स नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी ऑफ 2022. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंगली ये CMA का सिलेबस ड्राफ्ट हुआ है. करेक्ट है, मतलब ये अपग्रेड किया गया है एज पर द लेटेस्ट NEP. तो उसमें सारी चीज़ें कंटेंट वाइज है, राइट. नाउ CMA syllabus key features. This covers all this sector. Means you will be equipped with data analytics, business communication, entrepreneurship, risk management, decision making, financial modeling, leadership. These all are the areas which will be covered in the study life of the CMA student. Means from the date of foundation registration till the date of completing their CMA courses. So you will be getting the entire knowledge through their study material, and once you are done with CMA degree, you will be able to practice, you will be able to do the job, you will be able to give consultancy, you will be able to earn money, you will be able to set up the businesses, you will be an entrepreneur, you can do any number of things. There is no restriction, there is no boundary for the CMA courses, right? Next, eligibility criteria. Who can do CMA course? मतलब ये जो CMA कोर्स है कौन कौन कर सकता है? फर्स्ट लेवल इज फाउंडेशन, सेकंड लेवल इंटर, थर्ड लेवल इज फाइनल. फर्स्ट लेवल इज फाउंडेशन डिग्री, फाउंडेशन लेवल, विच इज द एंट्री लेवल कोर्स वी कैन से. फाउंडेशन डिग्री कैन बी डन बाय द पर्सन हु इज डन विथ 10th और इक्विवेलेंट पास. मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया फॉर एडमिशन 10th कंप्लीट होना चाहिए, प्लस 10+2 और इक्विवेलेंट मीन्स आफ्टर योर 12th examination. It means that even 12th commerce student, 12th science student or any other stream, if you are done with 12th, you can enter into CMA course. There is no restriction कि नहीं आपने CMA करने के लिए 12th commerce ही रहना चाहिए. No thing like that. You can enter into CMA courses even though you are not from commerce background. ठीक है. Point number 2, what is the second level? That is called as intermediate. Generally इसको short form CMA inter बोला जाता है. So the one who is done with CMA foundation, ये first level pass होते ही you will be entering the second level. You must be, मतलब these are all, or it's not mandatory that you should do all this. Any one of this criteria, if it is fulfilled, then you can do CMA inter. Like you are done with CMA foundation, or let's say CAT, or you are graduate, मतलब आपका BCom हो चुका है एग्जाम्पल, क्वालिफाइड इंजीनियर, परसुइंग इंजीनियरिंग कोर्सेज, मतलब इवन द पीपल हु आर कंप्लीटेड इंजीनियरिंग कोर्सेज मीन्स वंस दे हैव ऑप्टेड साइंस में भी उन्होंने 12th होने के बाद में दे डिड इंजीनियरिंग करने के बाद में भी यू कैन डायरेक्टली एंटर एट इंटरमीडिएट लेवल. यू डोंट हैव टू गो एट फाउंडेशन लेवल. सेकंड, हु इज डन विथ CA इंटर. CA मतलब ICI मीन्स चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कोर्स का अगर आपने इंटर पास आउट कर लिया है, then you can directly enter into CMA inter level. You don't have to go again at foundation level. Next, final, the one who has cleared with CMA inter can only enter at CMA final, right? Next thing, what is the course fee? Generally the foundation for the Indian students, inland means Indian students, excluding the examination fees is generally around 1,000-1,200 around. So the foundation registration fee, this registration fee is to be paid at the website. You don't have to pay anywhere. You can directly register online at the CMA Institute. The fees will be 6,000 for inter, generally around 23,100, final 25,000. Done. And for foreign student, it's on the dollar, $250, $1,100, $800 each respectively. So total cost of CMA course is considered as even less than the interest cost per annum on loan taken for higher education purpose and lowest among all professional courses. This can be considered as the biggest advantage of CMA courses. Why I'm telling this? Because you must be thinking that you are done with this payment, This payment is not even more than 1 lakh rupees. Once you are done with this, you will be getting the internship, means the articleship, which you have to do under a CMA firm, or you can do in company, or there are n number of options where you can do. So you will be earning the money as an article students. So net cost will be always zero. Even I must say that whatever the cost you are incurring, you will be able to recover all the cost before even completing CMA. Right? Next is, and where you can do the CMA articleship, you can do the CMA articleship once you're done with CMA Inter. Right? Next, CMA curriculum as per 2022. This will be applicable from June 2023 term of examination and onwards. Means the people who are giving this attempt June 23 or the next attempt December 23, accordingly, means December 23 or Jan 20 2024, accordingly this will be applicable. So once you are done with the registration part, you will be registered under new syllabus only, not old. So what are 4 papers under foundation level? First one is business law communication. This is one subject of 100 mark. Next is financial and cost accounting, 100 marks. Third, maths and stats, 100 marks. Economics and management, 100 marks. Right? Next, CMA curriculum, inter level, there are total 8 papers. Foundation, then inter, then final. Again, final, there will be total 8 plus 1 elective, total 9 papers. So this is the basic structure. Right now I'm just giving you a rough idea about foundation courses, because you must be at the entry stage. So training, what is the training? CMA training scheme at after the inter level means world class employability and skill training facility, techno skill and soft skill. They'll be giving for this many hours, means institute will be giving you the practical training. ठीक है? Then final level पे आपको मिलेगा इंडस्ट्री ओरिएंटेड ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम फॉर 7 days. These are the mandatory things, but most importantly, practical training is for 15 months, 1 year plus 3 months, total 15 months. This can be started from inter level. Once you're done with inter, you can start. These are the people, organizations who are giving the skill training partners: SAP, Microsoft, Cambridge University. So this is the best thing. Training requirement for CMA students. These are the basic tutorial workshop and all that. These are the additional things which you will come to know after your clearing of CMA Inter. Campus selectment. So I'd like to highlight few of the most important things. Right? More than 2000 CMA placed till date through this campus placement. Sorry, not till date, in this two basically year 2021 and 2022. 2000 CMA मतलब 2000 कॉस्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट एग्जाम पास होने के बाद में इंस्टीट्यूट ही उनका कैंपस प्लेसमेंट रखती है. सो ऑल द कंपनीज विल बी इन्वाइटेड देयर एंड ऑल द इंटरव्यूज विल बी शेड्यूल्ड देयर इटसेल्फ. दे विल डू योर हायरिंग. यू डोंट हैव टू गो एनीवेयर. मोर देन 100 कंपनीज पार्टिसिपेटेड. मोर देन 20 PUC पार्टिसिपेटेड. पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग जो गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज है. हाईएस्ट पैकेज जो लास्ट 2 years में जो अलॉट हुआ है CMA स्टूडेंट को, दैट इज 27.5 lakh per annum. Average package is 10 lakh tentatively. Participant average experience is around 1.5 years. Average participant's age is 24 years. Next, public sector undertaking. आप अगर नाम देखोगे तो almost all the government companies are included in this. SEBI, NTPC, Indian Oil, NTPC, BEL, BSNL, HP, all the power grid, GAIL, all the companies are covered which belongs to government sector. Banking financial services, you can see Allahabad Bank, Axis, IDBI, Kotak, HDFC, Max Life, all the public sector banking sector. Private sector banking are also inviting CMA because they need CMA for the decision making part. Information technology and consultancy, these are the PwC, Infosys, all the major companies including Accenture and everything, Tech Mahindra, they are inviting CMAs because they want CMAs to become a part of their management or consultants. Healthcare, pharmaceutical facility, hospitality, infrastructure, logistic, engineering, these are the sectors. These are the additional certificate courses which institute offer to the CMA members. Once you are done with this, partial list of eminent CMAs who are done with CMA earlier. CMA Amitabh Banerjee, He is the MD and chairman of Indian Railway. Joshi ma'am, she is the MD chairman of Shipping Corporation of India, one of the most reputed PSU. Srikant, he is the chairman and managing director of Power Grid Corporation. These are all PSUs. So there are n number of people who are done with CMA earlier. So these are the CMA chapters. You can contact them if you want any help related to registrations or anything. These are the CMA regional office in one is in Mumbai, Kolkata, New Delhi, and Chennai. CMA is spread across all world, means you can see their chapters: Singapore, Muscat, Dubai, Benin, London, Washington, Canada. So the institute is having branches there itself. So these were the basic things about the CMA courses which institute gives you. Now would like to take you to the CMA curriculum for the 2022, which is related to foundation level. Would like to give basic rough idea. So these are the four papers. First paper is related to law, where you have to appear for 80% basic fundamentals of basic law, means business laws, and 20% related to business communication. So this will be your first paper of 100 marks. Now number of questions will be 50. One question will give you 2 marks, and the most important cherry on the cake, no negative marking. And it's an MCQ examination. Now it will be conducted offline, means face to face at the examination center, no online exam. Next, for the financial and cost accounting, 70% will be basic fundamentals of financial accounting, 30% will be cost accounting, fundamentals of costing. Costing मतलब मेजरली जो कॉस्ट का कैलकुलेशन है, मटेरियल, लेबर, ओवरहेड एंड बेसिक पार्ट ऑफ कॉस्टिंग विल बी डिस्कस्ड हियर, एंड द एंटायर professional level and the advanced level of costing will be discussed in CMA Inter and CMA Final, which is second and third level respectively. Next thing is fundamental of business maths. Maths will be called for 40% and business statistics will be given for 60%. This is how your 100 marks will be covered in paper number 3. Now paper number 4 will be business economics and management, as the economics will be covered for 70% and 30% will be management. These are the 4 foundation level examination which are mandatory to complete your CMA. Once you are done with this, you can very well enter into CMA Inter, next level. Accordingly, you can go through. Generally, the passing rate is very good, no doubt about it. You can very well pursue this. And most important thing, CMA courses generally, means earlier it was done offline only. During the COVID phase, 2.5 years, it was conducted through online mode. Now it is again back to the offline mode, means face to face. You have to go to the examination center, you have to write down the examination, you have to submit your paper, accordingly you'll get the result. This is how it will be taken. It's an MCQ paper, means OMR based, objectives based question. You just have to go for marking because there is no fear of negative marking. Means you just have to go for 100% paper attempt. You will definitely get passing percentage. Passing percentage is 50%, no doubt about it. You'll definitely pass. And now our academy, which is Unique Academy for Commerce, we are offering free courses for CMA foundation level. You don't have to pay anywhere. You don't have to pay a single penny for any classes for CMA foundation. You just have to pay at the CMA Institute for registration. You will get the books from the institute. Once the payment is done, you can start your preparation. And for that matter, we are going to start a new batch, latest batch for the latest syllabus, which is new syllabus of 2022, which will be taught in this particular class. No need to pay anything, no hidden charges, no terms and conditions. You just have to come and attend the classes. What will be covered? All the original classes, revision classes, marathon, where we will be completing all the syllabus within 1 or 2 days. At the end, means just before your examination, mock test paper, everything will be covered. Our target is always, since beginning, is 100% result, and we have achieved till today, and we will definitely continue this ratio of 100% result in CMA Foundation. So we welcome you all to join this CMA Foundation course at our academy. For details, you can just fill the Google form and join the WhatsApp community group. All the details will be given there. Thank you so much.